Assalamu alaikum students. This video is basically on the fractional equations, how to solve this fractional equations. And we guys know that whenever the word solve comes in mathematics, we know that we have to find the value of x. So we can find the value of x, but first we have to simplify this equation a bit. And let's just simplify it and then we see what type of equation it becomes and then we'll solve it. So first we have to simplify it, and we know that this is 5x minus 1 and there is a 1 in the denominator. And now we will, since this is equals to, so we will cross multiply it, and this will become 2 times 1 is 2, and this 5x minus 1 will be in bracket because I have to multiply it with x plus 2. So I will put this in bracket, and then I will shift this x plus 2 over here. And now I can clearly see that on multiplying these two, I will have a quadratic equation. And I know that how to solve quadratic equation. I will be using quadratic formula to solve that. So I will have some more practice. I have some more questions on quadratic formula. So now I will just simplify it. That will become 2, and I can write it like this. This will be 5x. I will split this bracket. This will be x plus 2, and again I have to write the remaining part of the bracket, that is minus 1, and then I will write x plus 2 again. And now it's just expansion. I just have to multiply it. This 2 will be as it is on one side. Now I will just multiply it. 5x multiplied by x will be 5x square, and when I will multiply 5x with plus 2, this will become 10x. And again I have to multiply minus 1, so the bracket will be the same, but the sign will be changed. So this will be minus x and minus 2. Now I will shift this 2 on this side, and it will become like this. This will be 5x square as it is because I don't have any x square. This positive 10x and this minus will become my positive 9x. And this is minus 2, and this minus 2, and this will come on this side. It will again be minus 2, and then it will equal to 0. And I will have to do one more step. This will be 5x square, and this will be plus 9x, and this will be minus 2, and minus 2 will be minus 4 equals to 0. So after simplification, this fractional equation, I have now got to a point where I have formed a quadratic equation. So this fractional equation is turned into a quadratic equation, and now I have to solve it. So I know that in order to solve quadratic equation, the best method is the quadratic formula method. For that, I have to identify the value of a, b, and c. The value of a is 5. The value of b is positive 9. So I will just write 9. And the value of c is minus 4. So I will be now shifting on this side of the board. Now I will write the formula. The formula for the quadratic formula is basically minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac, and then divided by 2a. So since I now have the values of a, b, and c, so I will now just directly put the values. And I have b as my positive, so I will use this negative sign, and the b value of b is 9. And then I will use a negative and a positive sign, then square root, and now I have to take the square of b. The square of b, 9 square is 81, so I will write 81 directly. And then I have to report a negative sign for as it is, and I will use a bracket. The value of a is 5, so I will write 5 in bracket, and then the value of c is minus 4, so I will use a bracket again. I will put the value in the bracket, and I have 2a in the denominator. Since a is 5, so 2 multiplied by 5 will be 10, so I am writing 10 directly. and now I will simplify it. X will be equal to minus 9, and this will be positive and this will be negative, and this whole will be, since I have two negatives, so they will become positive. This minus and this minus will be positive, and 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 4 is 80, so I will write 80 directly. And there is a 10 in the denominator. Don't forget to write the 10 in the denominator. And I am solving the next step over here. So it will be minus 9 plus minus, and this will be 161, and divided by 10 it will be. And now I have two possibilities. The first will be, I am writing my two possibilities over here with a line in between. So this will be x equals to minus 9, and then there will be a positive sign, and I am going with 161 upon this will be 10. And I'm solving with the calculator. You guys know the square root of 161. 12 times 12 is 144, so it will be around 12 point something, because the square of 13 is 169. So on subtracting, I will be getting an answer of 0.369. And the other possibility is, I'm going with the negative one, so this will be minus 161, and that will be upon 10. Sorry, and that answer will be equals to minus 2.17. You can check these answers from your calculator, and this will again be around 12 point something, and when we'll add it will be 21.7, so when we'll divide it will be 2.17. So my two answers are basically 0.369 and minus 2.17. And this was basically fractional equation, but when I simplified this equation, it turned out to be quadratic equation, and I have the best formula to solve the quadratic equation, that is the quadratic formula method. And this is the solution. I hope you have understood this question. I will be solving some more question on fractional equation soon, so let's just wait and watch. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.